Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
About $2,500. Hail damage repair costs, per dent, range from about $30 to $45 for small ones, $45 to $55 for medium-sized, and $75 plus for larger dents. What's the average cost of hail damage repair? About $2,500. Sadly, following a hailstorm, it's unlikely you'll have just a single dent to repair. 11 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
If the vehicle has minimal to medium hail damage, you may want to consider using body fillers instead. It involves getting all the way down to the metal around the dent and then covering the damage with body filler material. The auto repair tech can then sand it down and paint it to match the rest of the vehicle. 12 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Fixing hail damage on a car yourself. Heat can help. The metal of your car expands when it gets hot, so sometimes parking your car in the hot sunlight will encourage tiny dents to pop back out. Cold to pop dents. Just like heat will pop out the hail damage, the other extreme also helps. Invest in a dent puller. The 28th of February 2020.
Take our lead.
There are a few different ways that hail damage can be repaired. Paintless dent repair, PDR, is a quick and inexpensive method that corrects the dents without needing to repaint the vehicle. For sharper dents or dents that have cracked the vehicle's paint, PDR might not be possible. 23 March 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Does repaired car hail damage affect vehicle value? As with any damage, hail dents can certainly lower the value of a vehicle during resale. If you file a claim through insurance, it will be listed on the vehicle's history report. 15 February 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.